Hey, buddy. Want to play downstairs? I had to put some clothes away. I'll race you. I'll race you. Ready? Ready? Oh, whoa. Oh, are you going to come over? Hey, you going to come over? Oh. What's he going to do? I just turned the AC on, buddy, so you know what that means. It's going to be good in here pretty soon. Yeah. Whoa. Boop. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go downstairs. It's okay. It's just the laundry going. Yeah, uh-huh. Midweek laundry. Okay, come on. Let's go. Let's see what's downstairs. Turn this light on so he's not so scared. Okay, okay. Do you want to play in the steps? Yeah, I bet you do. Oh, no. Why are you so freaked out? Because of the noise? You gonna go for it, buddy? You gonna go for it? He was outside most of the day today. And I saw a calico-looking cat come over from the neighbor's side. Yeah. They're probably looking for y'all. Whoa! Whoa! He's just taking it all out on the toy. I haven't really had a steps playtime in a while. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Ooh. It's pretty hot out. It's the low 80s today. Yeah. Whoa. Oh, we'll let him have it and see what he does. You can do your body slam. He's waiting for the toy to move. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Hmm? You gonna get it? Yeah. Aw. Okay. Okay. He looks like he wants to go downstairs now. Ooh. Come over and see your daddy, mister. We got all these toys to play with over here. Yeah. He's been getting more comfortable with the feather one that attacked him. Here's the furnace going. The air conditioning, man, is an absolute... Michigan, it's a luxury item. It's not something that you need like you would in Arizona or New Mexico. There's a lot of people in Michigan that do not have air conditioning or central air. Sometimes they'll have a window unit for their bedroom or whatever, and that's sufficient for some people in homes. I like it mostly at night so I can sleep. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You missed it. Oh no, it spooked you? Are you regrouping yourself over there? Oh yeah, oh, he's planning his attack. Slowly creeping away, buddy. Slowly creeping away. Oh, yeah? You're gonna go for it? You're gonna go for it? You're gonna go for it, mister. Get ready. It's gonna loaf around. It's moving still. It's moving slowly. The eyeball looking feather's moving away. You gonna go get it? He's trying to get away from you, buddy. You gonna go get it? Hmm? If you don't care, that's okay. That's fine if you don't care. Oh, it got closer. It's taunting you. Maybe he's still a little anxious about it. Oh yeah, okay. He's like, nope, I don't think so. Don't want to get attacked by that again. Well, he went all the way up there, didn't you, buddy? all the way upstairs. Where'd he go? Is he around the corner? Hi. You want to come down here, buddy? We can play down here too, you know. We can play down here too. Yeah, we got toys down here. Yes, we do. Where's your little owl toy? I know it's down here somewhere. He moves it around too. We have that Barney one. I think it's up here somewhere. No, we don't have to run away now. Oh, where'd it go? Where is all your toys? Sometimes they just get lost. Oh, he's getting his dinner. Okay. Cinnabon is still enjoying his dinner, and I'm about to enjoy what I made from yesterday. Yeah, pasta salad. But I think it's missing one thing, and you'll see what that is. A nice cold glass of milk. Whole milk, to be exact. You all done, buddy? Yeah? You all done? Come over and see your daddy, then. Come over, you've been outside all day. Yeah. Take a little break. I can betcha. Yeah. Oh, good boy. Let's try to find your other toy. Here's the Barney one. Whoa! Oh, look, buddy. Look. Hey, come here. Come here. Oh. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Hello. Hello there. Oh, yeah. Maybe if I disturb it a little bit, get that catnip. We'll get the catnip. There you go. That's how you do it. Yeah. It's starting to get nice and cozy in here with air conditioning. Well, that's a good one too. You didn't really seem to get into the cigar, even though presumably has the same stuff in it, huh? Yeah. Oh. Boop, boop. Gotta bite it, buddy. That activates that chronic, yeah. Unless it lost its potency. Yeah, this one. Try this one. Oh, there we go. I got a taste, huh? Yeah. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah. Well, a good kitty cat. Yeah, what a good little kitty. Uh-huh. Or a big kitty, huh? Oh, we got a passenger. Look, he's got a passenger. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Do I do a treat time, buddy? We haven't done a treat time today. Well, go ahead and do a treat time, okay? There we go. All right, I'll get some treats for you, okay? Well, don't have any right now, but I'll get some. They don't just spontaneously come out of my hand. They're pretty crazy. A bit like Spider-Man, kind of. Except not as useful. Unless I wanted to attract a bunch of cats. Oh, he knows. He's a kitty. He's a smart kitty. We all know he's a kitty and a smart kitty. Ooh, I got a bunch of treats for the baby. Like 6 of them or something like that. Yeah. Temptations. Yes, the yellow flavor. The chicken. Chicken broth, I guess. Oh, who knows if it's real or not. Oh, here we go, mister. Oh, okay. Oh. We got another one. Here you go. Yeah. But wait, there's more. Here. Oh. I got more. I got another. Oh. Got 2 left for now. Last one for tonight, okay? Last one. You ready? All right? Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. Well, that works. Good boy. That's all the treats for now, my friend. That's all the treats for now. Yeah. Oh, good baby. Oh, what a good little baby. Yeah. What a good little kitty cat. Yeah. Well, thank you, everybody, for watching. I wish you have a fantastic rest of your Tuesday. Yeah. Bye-bye. What you see out there, mister? You see something good? Yeah? You can stay up there. I don't mind. Just gave him a good brushing. Lost a couple pounds from that, I think. Yeah. That's okay, though. Yeah. You could probably float if you're in the water. Yeah. Just kidding. Mm-hmm. I'm just being a little teaser. Yeah. It's probably a lot cooler though, huh? Hi, mister. Okay. You're being a good boy, aren't you? Yes. Best kitty in the whole neighborhood, I think. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're gonna get me. Oop.